Hello everyone, my name is Omkar Jaiswal and I am excited to present my internship experience at Emerge Information Technology. During this internship, I have learned about microcontroller, embedded systems, and C program. My main project was developing a micro oven project system using PIC16F877A microcontroller. And then in this presentation, I will explain the project's functionalities, the cooking modes, the key technologies used, and the components that made this system work efficiently. I have learned uh, many things from this internship, like learn, learn C programming for microcontrollers for understanding inputs and output and different peripheral devices, gaining knowledge about microcontroller and microprocessor, and learning about PIC16F877A microcontroller, implementing the project micro oven on PIC microcontroller. Next is my micro oven project. It is it is created using C programming and PIC16 microcontroller, and that and this project allows the user to cook food using different modes. This system consists of four main cooking modes: micro mode, standard microwave heating, with a set of power level, with a set power level; grill mode, similar to micro mode but designed for grilling food; convection mode, you this mode is like traditional oven with temperature settings; and start mode automatically starts cooking after selecting a mode. Now I will explain each mode in detail. Micro mode. This is a primary heating mode of micro oven. It operates at a fixed power level of 900 watts. The user can set the cooking time in minutes and seconds using the keypad. The countdown timer is displayed on the LCD. The user can pause, stop, or restart the time cooking anytime using the keypad present on the microcontroller for these functionalities. Once the timer is over, a message is displayed indicating that the food is cooked. This mode is mainly used for cooking, heating, and cooking of food items. Quick, the grill mode. In this mode, we can do same functionalities as the micro mode with a set time for cooking the food. Grill mode is used for grilling food items like meats and vegetables. Different grilling functions can be controlled, like stop, pause, and start, same as micro mode, using the keypad present on the microcontroller. The cooking process can be paused, stop, and restart as needed. This mode is useful for grilling and toasting food, giving it a crispy texture. Convection Convection mode enables a traditional oven by circulating the hot air for even cooking. In this mode, the user can set the temperature and cooking time. Before cooking starts, the oven undergoes a preheating process of 180 seconds. A safety feature ensures that the door must be remain closed during operation. If the door is opened while cooking, an alert is triggered and the buzzer turns on, and the fan automatically stops. This mode is ideal for baking cakes, cookies, or pizza. Start mode. The start mode is a automatic is getting the start mode activates automatically after selecting the cooking mode. The oven begins cooking based on the selected settings. It continuously monitors the time, temperature, time, safety conditions, and presents different functions using, and the user can select these functions using the keypad. And every time the user select starts, it adds 30 seconds to the cooking time, and the user can stop the cooking and goes back to the main menu. This mode ensures smooth and safe cooking process. Next is the tactile switches. A tactile switch is a momentary contact with switch that provides physical feedback when pressed. It produces clicking or bumping sensation confirmation confirming activation. It is used for user inputs like power buttons and switches and function selection. It helps in ensuring accurate and responsive control of the micro oven. In my project Micro Oven, tactile switches were used for mode selections and start and stop functions. Next is keypad. A keypad is an input device that uses a grid of rows and columns to detect multiple buttons pressed with fewer connections. It allows the user to input cooking time, temperature, and mode selection in the micro oven project. Reduces the number of microcontroller pins required for multiple key functions. It provides a simple and effective way to interact with the system. This keypad plays a key role in allowing the user to operate micro oven system smoothly. Interrupts. Interrupts in the microcontroller are signals that inform the microcontroller that an events need immediate attention. They act like a pause button, stopping the current task to handle an urgent event. Used for handling keypad inputs, safety alerts, and time-based events, helps improve system efficiency by avoiding constant pulling of input. In my project, interrupts were essential in detecting user and input and managing the safety features. ISR interrupts, also known as interrupt service routine, is a function that runs when an interrupt occurs. The microcontroller stops its main task to execute the ISR, where after handling the interrupt, the system returns to its normal operation. It's real-time event handling, such as pressing button or detecting an open. This ensures micro oven responds instantly to important user actions. Timers. Argin, a special counter is microcontroller used for measuring time intervals. They can generate delay, control periodic functions, and synchronize operations. Uh, Used for countdown timers, delay functions, and triggering periodic event ensures that the microwave cooking duration is precise and accurate. In my project, Timer 2 was used to manage the cooking count. The required tools are used in my project are MPLAB ID for coding, Excel compiler for compiling the code, PiximLab simulator for simulation of the micro oven project, and microcontroller uses PIC16F877A. Uh, LCD 16 cross 4 is used for displaying messages and different inputs and different inputs and outputs to the user. Tactile switches in the form of keypad are used. Matrix keypad is used for the user to give input. Timer 2 is used for making the countdowns accurate. Next is network systems. A network system is a group of interconnected devices that communicate and share resources over a network. The system rely on wired or wireless connections to function. Example of network system: the Internet of Things, smartphones, devices, smart home devices, security cameras, and sensors. Enterprise networks: office computers, servers, and cloud services. Uh, Telecommunication systems examples are mobile networks and mobile networks. Cloud computing like Google Drive, AWS, and Microsoft are full of cloud computing. These are all types of examples of network systems. Mobile systems. The mobile systems are computing systems designed to portable and capable of connecting to networks wirelessly. Then came then encompass a wide range of devices including smartphones, tablets, laptops, and wearable mobile systems. Are characterized by small size, lightweight design, and ability to operate on battery power. They are designed to support mobility and enable user to access information and applications from anywhere with a network connection. Mobile systems have become an integrated part of modern life, enable communication and entertainment. Now, the important thing is how to select an embedded system. An embedded system can be selected on different different things like power consumption, how low is the power consumption of the embedded system, so it can run efficiently and very long in very very long for very long cost, for how easy it is to make and purchase, cost efficiency, efficient use of power processing, like how better the power processing can be used throughout the microcontroller and embedded system, reliability, that the system cannot wear and tear down the easily, efficient use of memory, like how much memory we need during a requirement of the project. Next is circuits. There are two types of circuits: sinking circuit and sourcing circuit. A sinking circuit is an electrical circuit in which a device such as transistor or microcontroller sinks current to ground to control a load. It is commonly used in industrial automation, microcontroller interfacing, and transistor-based switching applications. A sourcing circuit is an electrical circuit where the switching device sources current to a load by providing a positive voltage. It is commonly used in industrial automation, transistor-based switching application, and microcontroller interface. Next is I will show you my MPLAB code. Here is the main C, where I have in this the main function is declared main.c. In this main function is declared, and there is also an init configuration function where every function is initialized first, like timer, matrix CLCD for LCD for display, matrix keypad for taking input from user, and timer for countdown. Buzzer and fan is used for outputs, like fan is used for starting the micro oven, like indicating the micro oven is started, and buzzer for safety features. These are these are different files used here. Header files. ISR is used for countdown. Matrix keypad for taking input. This is used for setting the timer. CLCD is used for displaying the output on the screen. Now I will build and clean and build the project. Now here you can see this build and successfully. Now I will load this file on PiximLab. Load file micro oven. Here you can see the first thing, it displays powering on micro oven and menu screen, and you can select different screen modes using the keypad. Like here I am selecting one and the set power is 900. Here you can enter the time using the keypad. Like first it it takes seconds, so let's say 0, 8 and 1 minute 8 seconds, and you can also clear it using clear, and I will just give 1 minute 8 seconds and press for enter. You can use, you have to use hash here, and this will start the micro oven, and this is the timer, countdown timer. Here you can pause it using the file key and start it using 4. You can also stop it like this using 6 key. Now next is the grill mode. Here you can also set the time. Here I will set 45 seconds and enter. This will start the micro oven. Now here you can also stop it using 6. Let's finish it. So it says time's up and it displays enjoy your meal. And third is convection mode. Here you can set the temperature, and when it goes up above 180 degree, it guess it selects only 180. Like here I have world just 450 degree, and when I will enter the time, it will take 160 seconds just for preheating. The max time you can set, the max temperature is 180 degree. You can set only 180 degree. And now we have to wait till this gets completed. Here you can see Now I can enter the time. Here I will enter 8 seconds. No, you have 8 seconds. I have to clear it. Zero, zero.
क्या
Let's
कहाँ
clear
रखूँ?
it and then enter 8 minutes. Let's enter. It starts. Stops in 4. This mode will start automatically. And when I will add 4, like start, then it will
ये
add
क्या?
30 seconds and then stop.
अरवी की भाजी